Friday, YouTube. Welcome back, guys. Happy Friday. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the Supreme Art logo polo shirt that I cut from eBay. And this seller was posting their price was, I think it was $118, and then he paid $10 for shipping. I'm not sure why he doesn't pay tax. So it came out to be around about 128 bucks. So I got this. He was selling for 78 bucks, so I grabbed them right away. So I better make sure this is the original product. It says come with the original Supreme bag. So let's go ahead and then unbox this and see. Hopefully I'm not gonna get ripped off. Let's see. Looks pretty legit right now. So I got the size and then the barcode and then the color. I gotta make sure I check it out with that. One 100% cotton. This is a button up. Got like 3 buttons. What the heck is this? Freaking. The hell, man? It's like fabric, or what is that? Ew, some kind of hair. Hopefully it's not no pet hair or whatever. And make sure the legit check real quick. You got this Supreme label. So yeah, this one looks pretty legit right now. So I gotta double check this barcode, and the bag looks pretty legit as well. Pretty thick, not the thin one. Anyway, if you buy on eBay and then you got the buyer's protection within 30 days, if there's anything wrong with it, or if you go to like a store and then they legit check it, make sure you get the like a writing or note from the store, and you could dispute it, okay? And once you find out there's it is a fake one or whatever, you could file a case with the eBay, and you get a free return shipping label from the seller. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on that bell for notification. Please also drop any other comments on below, and I will do a try on real quick for you guys. I'm not sure what the bunch of little fabric, or hopefully it's not like a dog hair or whatever. I hate it when I buy stuff and then it has a pet hair or cat hair. Anyway, happy Friday and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out.